peaceful election this time.
IIM Shillong hosted its 15th annual convocation on April 3, 2024, with 5 doctoral scholars conferred PhD degree, whereas 281 students from PGP 2022-24 batch, 47 students from PGPEX batch of 2023-24 and 16 students from PGPWE 2022-24 batches were conferred with MBA degrees. The event was graced by Narayanan Kumar, Chairman, Group Corporate Board, the Sanmar Group, Chennai, and the Honorary Consul General of Greece in Chennai as the chief guest. While delivering the convocation address, Narayanan Kumar highlighted that India has been fortunate to have been globally growing, with initiatives such as Digital India contributing to the country's growth.
You are now living in a country which is being looked at as a special country. India is your golden place of its development journey across various sectors. It has, as the chairman said, one of the highest growth rates. Some of the most brilliant minds of our country are the international companies. And you can name them: Microsoft, IBM, Google, Adobe, and I can go on, World Bank, etc. These are people from this country or from institutions